In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can post on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Obviously, first you need to open up the Instagram app and then go ahead and tap the plus icon at the top left of the screen. This is going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You're going to have a bunch of different options. Depending on what you're trying to post, you would go ahead and choose it. If it was a story, you'd choose that. Highlights, you'd choose that. Live, you'd choose that. Post, edits, reel, you'd choose whatever it is that you want. I'm going to just use a post as an example, right? So I'm going to select post, and then it's going to pop up with a page that looks something like this, where you're going to have all these stuff that you could post. Now let's just go ahead and say, I'm about to upload, or maybe at the time of this video going up, already have uploaded a lot of Subnautica 2 videos, and I'm trying to tease it to some of you guys. Maybe I'd just post this, right? You choose your pictures and you could select multiple of them if you want, but essentially hit next once you've chosen your pictures. Here you can add audio, text, an overlay, a filter, and you could edit the picture as well, but hit next after you do that. You create a caption, maybe you want to do a poll, a prompt, add some audio, tag some people, tag some products. Essentially go through here, change your settings the way that you want, and whenever you're ready to share it with people, you just hit share down at the very bottom, and that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.